Hello friends, welcome to our channel study guide. uh, as you know friends, we are solving the SSC JE 2018 paper, that is 23rd of January 2018. Okay, and we are solving the second shift. We have already covered the 1 to 10 question, question ID number 901 to 910, and now in this section we will solve the QID 911 to 915. Okay, and one thing I want to say that in this chapter, in this session especially, we haven't take 10 question. Okay, we have take only 5 questions, because if I take all the 10 question at a time, so this session will be very elongated. Okay, and that's why I haven't taken. So let us move to our point. What are the questions in these sessions? The first question is, which one of the following statement is true? Which one of the following statement is true? Now, what are the statements? Let us study the statement. Kirchhoff's law is not applicable to the circuit with passive element. Okay, Kirchhoff's law is not applicable to the circuit with a passive element. No, it is not true, because Kirchhoff's law is applicable to the circuit with a passive element, because it is true. So here there is a not. Okay, what I can see that here is a not. Okay, so if there was not, if not was not present there, the sentence would be correct or sentence would be true, but not is present, so the sentence would not be correct. Our next statement: Kirchhoff's law is not applicable to the circuits with lumped parameter. Okay, is not applicable to the lumped parameter, but Kirchhoff's law is applicable to the lumped parameter. Kirchhoff's law is applicable to the lumped parameter, so this statement will not true. Kirchhoff's law is not applicable to the circuit with a nonlinear network, but Kirchhoff's law is applicable to the circuit with nonlinear resistance. So this statement is also not true. Kirchhoff's law is not applicable to the circuit with distributed parameter or distributed element. Yes, it is true. Okay, yes, it is true, because you can't apply the Kirchhoff's law to the distributed parameter. You can apply the Kirchhoff's to the passive element, to the nonlinear circuit, to the lumped parameter. Everywhere you can apply the Kirchhoff's law, but you can't apply the Kirchhoff's law to the distributed parameter. Okay, I hope you have understand. So we are moving to the next point. Which one of the following is a passive element to an electrical circuit? Which one is a passive element? See, what is a passive element? Passive element which stores, can't increase the energy level of the circuit. Okay, so current source, voltage source, and the battery, they can increase the energy level of the circuit, but a resistor, it absorbs the power. Okay, so the correct answer would be option 3. Okay, moving to the next point. Which one of the following is the mathematical expression for the Ohm's law? Which one is the mathematical expression for the Ohm's law? That is V equals to I into R. Okay, V equals to I into R is the correct expression. This was a very simple question. Okay, next, determine the current that flows through a 15 ohm resistance and when the potential difference between the resistor is 60 volt. So V equals to I into R. V, what is V? V is 60. Okay, sorry for the pen. Okay, 60, and I, what is I? We don't know the I, we have to calculate the I. And what is R? R is 15. So what I can say, that I equals to 60 divided by 15, and it becomes 4. Okay, the answer will be 4 ampere. Okay, the answer will be 4 ampere. Next, determine the voltage across the point A and B for the given electrical circuit. Okay, so if I want to calculate the V, okay, V equivalent or VAB. Okay, what will be the VAB? The VAB will be I. What is I? I the source multiplied by R equivalent. Now if I want to find the R equivalent, I have to see from this side. Okay, from the current source side. Okay, now if the current is moving in this direction, okay, current is moving in this direction, so what will happen? That this 2 ohm and 2 ohm are parallel. So 2 ohm parallel 2 ohm, that means that it will be 1 ohm. Now 1 ohm. Okay, what will be the circuit? The circuit becomes, this one. This is the 1 and this is 1. Okay, now this is 1, also this is 1. Now this 1 and 1 is also parallel, So 1 into 1 divided by 1 plus 1, 2. That means 0.5. Now what will become? This becomes 1, 1, 0.5. Now if you see the R equivalent from this side, what will happen? The total resistance will be 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 0.5, that is 2.5. Okay, the R equivalent becomes 2.5. Now we have already the formula of V equivalent or VAB. What will be the VAB? VAB is the, what is the VAB? VAB is the I is 3. What is the R equivalent? Is 2.5. So if I multiply the 3 into 2.5, it will be 7.5. It will be 7.5 volt. Okay, the correct answer will be 7.5 volt. Okay, so let us end this session here. Okay, it's a very small session. Okay, the first session we have already uploaded the first session. You can find the link in the description box. Okay, and next we are going to update our third session. So who are watching this video and still haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon too. Okay, to get further videos. Thank you.